Dash price strategy usually followed in electronic goods. Skimming price. Dash is the most visible element of marketing mix. Product. Dash is a type of plan which is a combination of all types of plans. Program. Question. Which accounting standard deals with goodwill? Accounting Standard 10. Cash book acts as both journal and ledger. If bank reconciliation statement starts with cash book balance positive and ends with a negative balance, it indicates overdraft as per passbook. Question. Contingent liability is a liability which may or may not arise. Next, journal proper is used for recording transaction which cannot be recorded in any other subsidiary books. Income tax is collected by central government. An example of factory overhead: salary of supervisor. Factory overhead during the period rupees 1 lakh, machine hour worked 25,000 hour, determine machine hour rate. 4. The act of transferring shareholding to electronic form from physical certificate is called dematerialization. Question. World Consumer Rights Day is celebrated on March 15th. Financial leverage is beneficial to equity shareholders. Dash account is usually opened by businessmen. Current account. Question. Bill of entry is a document used in import trade. The process of perceiving all documents to an audit is called documentation. Capital account is liability account. Promissory note is an undertaking. If shares are issued to promoters in consideration of their service instead of cash, dash will be debited. Goodwill account. SEZ stands for Special Economic Zone. Venture capitalists are also known as angel investors. Lame duck is a dash speculator, bear. A statement prepared to test the arithmetical accuracy of books of account is known as trial balance. Which system of wage payment consider the ratio that work done bears to time taken? Bonus system. The ledger, which contains an account for each class of material and show receipts, issues and stock in hand, is known as stores ledger. An account opened at the bank of the ledger to make it self-balancing is known as adjustment account. Outstanding salaries comes under personal account. Fixed cost per unit increases when production volume increases.